Students of Durgapur.
A golden opportunity to build a career in digital marketing. Imagine a professional cinematic journey. Pioneer Institute in Durgapur. Educational excellence of our own industrial city, Durgapur. We transition into a clean, modern office interior where students like you are mastering digital marketing on their laptops. You'll see high-quality displays showcasing our ISO certified status and our practical training approach.
Meet our founder, Tapu Goswami, who simplifies complex SEO strategies.
Delivering clear, step-by-step demos on the whiteboard, turning complexity into clarity. This isn't just theory, it's hands-on, real-world training.
That drives results.
The experience concludes with our vibrant Educational Excellence logo in navy and orange, representing quality education that transforms careers. This is corporate-level inspiring high-energy training, leading Durgapur for 8 years. Designed for your success. Ready to join now.